Miele's stain removal feature takes a targeted approach to stains. Miele offers its stain removal option in combination with many wash programs. Thanks to a consistent right-to-left approach, interaction with the machine is incredibly simple. Simply select a program and then choose the appropriate stains from the available list. In total, there are up to 23 different stain types to select from. Once a stain has been selected, each program is adjusted to suit the stain type. Depending on the model, it's even possible to combine up to 3 different stain types. Helpful tips also appear in the display. Miele's stain removal feature takes a targeted approach to stains.